Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can exchange the Libertadores or Sudamericana player in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So this is the weekly exchange. You cannot do this exchange every day, once for a week. So before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game because this game previously is FIFA Mobile, but change and become EA Sport FC Mobile 24. This is mass update for this game. So there will be new event, new quests that you can complete, and you can get ton of rewards from it. So there are new campaign, CONMEBOL Libertadores live event. This one. So you can tap this live event, CONMEBOL Libertadores event. So I want to show you this one, player exchange. Tap. So you can exchange this every day, but there is one time you have to exchange the player weekly. Tap the glory, and this is weekly exchange. Active plus of your Libertadores or Sudamericana player. So this player mostly from South America like Brazil, Argentina, or Central America like a Panama or Mexico. Sudamericana player. Buy 50 coins. Just tap this icon, weekly exchange. Tap the exchange, and this one. You can try if you have if you can fulfill the exchange condition. You can try this a exchange feature. And tap the exchange 500 50 100. So this is the guarantee reward, the possible reward you can get this player. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.